Only one camera is on. Everyone open your camera, and those who have a reason of not opening the camera, please let me know. What did we do last week, children?
Ma'am, we were doing exercise.
We were doing exercises. Which page, which chapter?
Ma'am, chapter 7.
Okay, just a minute. Chapter number 7. And which exercise, children?
Ma'am, 8.
Exercise chapter 7. Okay, let me see what it is. Page number?
Ma'am, 78.
78.
78. All right. Exercise 8. Now this exercise, you all are supposed to do it in your copies. Everyone take out your copies. The first question is, il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? What does this question mean? What is il y a? What is il y a? Il y a means there is or there are, right? What does il y a mean?
There is or there are.
There are. So now in this question, what does it mean? What are we talking about? What does combien mean? What is the meaning of combien? Combien means how much or how many. Now try to frame what the question is. Just translate it. What is the question?
Ma'am, we have to do this in notebook.
Yes, beta, you have to do it in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Beta, open up page number 78 of your book and we are doing question number 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, could you please tell me the answer of fourth question, fourth part,
Fourth question and
ma'am, which is given on page 77.
okay.
Mettez les phrases in order.
Yes. Fourth one is il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. It is il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Which means there are 7 days in a week. Now here,
Yeah, ma'am,
what is the question? Il y a combien de jours dans une semaine? So that is the answer to this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Written? Once you write it, just let me know.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the answer of first question?
What, beta? What?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of first question?
How many days? There are how many days in a week? There are how many days in a week? How many days are there in a week, children? How will you answer in English?
Ma'am, set
There are
Seven
seven
days.
days in a week.
in a week.
There are 7 days in a week. So how do we write there are in French? What is there are or there?
Ma'am, set.
Ma'am,
No.
ma'am,
What is there?
Ilya.
Ilya.
Ma'am, Ilya.
Very good. Ilya. Now 7 days. We have to write 7 days. So what are we going to write? Ilya jour. Ilya sept jours dans une semaine. In a week. There are 7 days in a week.
Please repeat one time.
Ma'am, can you repeat the first answer?
You want to repeat the first answer? Or you want me to repeat?
Ma'am, you.
Okay, I will repeat. I will write it on the board rather. This is answer number 1. Ilya, which means there is or there are. Ilya sept jours dans une semaine. In a week. There are 7 days in a week. All of you have done this one. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, what is the next question? The next question says, quels sont les jours de la semaine? Now, what is the meaning of quel? Quel
Ma'am,
means,
what?
quel means which or what. It can mean both. So now, what does the question say? What is the meaning
Ma'am,
of
what
this question?
And what days
Ma'am.
are there in a week?
Okay, which are, quels sont means which are. Which are the days of the week? Now, which are the days of the week? The days of the week are, you will begin your answer. The days of the week are. The answer will be les jours, which means the days. Les jours de la semaine sont. The days of the week are. Now you have to write all 7 days. Do it.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, in front of them, we will write in English also.
No, beta, you will not write in English. You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
and you have to, after this, you have to write all the 7 days. Lendi, Mardi, Makridi. Which are the days of the week? Because they're asking which are the days.
Ma'am, I've written all the 7 days. Ma'am, Yendi, Madi, Makredi, Shudi, Bondredi, Samdi, and Dimonj.
Very good.
Ma'am, I've written
Everyone
all
has
7.
written?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. Okay, very good. Now, question number 3. Write down question number 3 in your copies. Vu ale ala ekol. Vu ale al ekol. Vu zale al
Ma'am, you
ekol.
are going to school.
Yes. You go to school or you're going to school? So what will you write?
Yes.
We. What is yes in French? What is yes?
Oui.
Yes.
Oui.
We.
Oui.
It's not we. We call it we. We. Verb. Verb sound. We.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, oui.
Je vais. Now when I have to say I go, so I'll say je vais à l'école. I go to the school. Je vais à l'école. Can you see this board?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is coming little bit blur.
Coming blurred. Why so?
Ma'am, the down chart is coming there.
Ma'am, may you repeat the answer?
Ma'am, I have done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now write down question number 4.
Ma'am, what you have written after, ma'am, after je vais,
A. Je vais à with accent grave. Je vais à l'école.
ma'am, I have written.
I am also ready.
Okay, next question is aujourd'hui nous sommes quel jour? Aujourd'hui, what does this question mean? Aujourd'hui nous sommes
Ma'am,
quel jour?
Today, Ma'am, what is the day today?
Yes. What is the date today? So you will write this answer yourself because we have done it many a times.
Ma'am, I know the answer. Ma'am, can I tell?
No, beta, don't tell the answer. Let everybody write. Who doesn't know the answer? Okay, if there is there anybody in the class who doesn't know this answer? Okay, speak the answer, beta. Just speak it once. Speak the answer.
Ma'am, send the answer to your personal chat.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
For sure, we know some Keljur. So, yes,
Ma'am, it is Makridi.
beta, I don't want one this thing. It is not answer in one word. You have to frame the whole sentence, and in exam also you have to frame the whole sentence.
Ma'am, nous sommes mercredi.
Yes. Nous aujourd'hui nous sommes mercredi. Aujourd'hui.
Ma'am, can
please
we?
write it on the board.
Ma'am, no some Makridi or should we?
Yes, you can write it like that. Also, you want me to write it on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer 4.
Ma'am, I have done.
Mercredi. Aujourd'hui. Nous sommes mercredi aujourd'hui.
Ma'am, it is Ma'am, it is blur.
Yes, ma'am, it is coming there.
Is it because of the faded ink? It is looking blurred. This line is clearer than this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll use this marker.
A bit. Ma'am, a bit.
Okay, not very clear. Okay. Now we have to write answer number 5.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear. Ma'am, can I tell the transition?
Ma'am, today, what day is tomorrow?
Demain nous sommes quel jour?
What is the day tomorrow?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is day tomorrow?
What is the day tomorrow? So what is the answer to it?
Ma'am, no
Ma'am,
song.
demain nous
Judy
sommes
Dhamma.
jeudi.
Children, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can hear you.
Demain nous sommes quel jour? So what will the answer be?
Ma'am, no song. Judy Dhamma.
Ma'am, demain nous sommes jeudi.
Okay, you can write it. No, listen, children. Now don't write this no song. For tomorrow, we don't write no song. We will be writing say jeudi dama. It is Thursday tomorrow or dama say jeudi.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done this chapter.
Yes, now we are
Ma'am, I
done
have
with
done.
this chapter.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, now we will start with the new chapter.
Okay,
Yeah,
first tell me any doubts in this chapter?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No doubt in this chapter? Nothing?
No, no.
Okay, very good.
ma'am, can we write Ma'am, can we write Diman says Judy also?
Yes, you can write that also. Tomorrow it is Thursday. Okay. Again, my Zoom is gone. Children, can you hear me?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We can hear you.
It's disconnection again and again. I can't see any one of you. The screen is gone.
Ma'am, your video.
We can.
You can see me?
God hang again.
Going on.
Ma'am, it happens with me also. Ma'am, the Zoom hangs
Now
and
I
I
will put
got.
my camera off. I think I should keep my camera off today.
Okay, ma'am. But in your network side, ma'am, it was showing that your network is present.
God knows what is the problem. Okay, so the previous chapter, now what all we did in the previous chapter, we learned the days of the week. We learned aller verb, that means to go. And we also learned this thing, a few subjects in French.
Yes, ma'am.
In this chapter, the most important thing was to place preposition before a place. That is a masculine place or a feminine place. The preposition that is placed. I am going to the, a la or a-u-o. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So everything is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, very nice. Now, coming on to the next chapter. All of you write the heading, Leçon with La Famille de Manuel in your copies also. Write it down.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes,
ma'am, what we have to, I can't hear.
better write down in your copies the heading, put today's date, write down the heading, Leçon with La Famille de Manuel. Now, under it, what you'll write, the English translation of what this means. Everybody open your camera.
Ma'am,
There's
the
a problem
family
in
of
network,
Manuel.
not in your network. Yes?
The family of
Family of
Manuel.
Manuel.
The family of Manuel. Very good. Write it in bracket.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rishit?
Ma'am, which chapters will come in half yearly?
Which chapter? Which chapter was there in UT1? Just chapter number 6?
Ma'am, 6.
Now we have 7 and 8 coming in the half yearlies.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written the translation.
Okay. The family of Manuel.
Ma'am, means the sixth chapter will not come in half yearly.
Beta, I'm not too sure. I'll just check the syllabus that has been prepared. I don't remember. See, even if it will not come in half yearlies, your language, it is a language. So all the previous work done is to be kept in mind because it will be useful in framing sentences and all. Is that clear?
And
Yes,
keep in mind previous chapters only we do the next chapter.
What? Yeah.
Ma'am is saying that by keeping previous chapter in mind, only we are able to do the
Yes.
chapter.
The next chapter. We move on to the next chapter only with the previous knowledge, previous chapter's knowledge. All right. Now listen, beta. This chapter is La Famille de Manuel, which actually means the family of Manuel. Now, what does
Manuel.
this of mean? For we are placing of before a proper noun. What is Manuel? Manuel is the name of the boy. It is
Name of a person.
special noun. So before special nouns, whenever we have to put of, we put de. Okay, what we have to put?
Ma'am, why
have
we use of before a proper noun?
Before proper nouns, to use of, we use de, the.
Ma'am, why we use of?
The family of Manuel. Like in English, we say Manuel's family, right? In English, we will say Manuel's family, but it literally, if we translate it literally, it means the family of Manuel.
Ma'am, it means ma'am, we are translating this word by word.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, written.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now what we have to write?
Next. Now see. C'est la photo de ma famille. What does this line mean? Yes, Hassan.
Here
This is
photo.
photo of my family.
It is the photo
Ma'am,
of
this is
my
the
family.
photo of my family.
Okay, it is the photo. Now you want to write this line
Okay.
also? Write it. It is the photo of my family.
Ma'am, this we have to also write in notebook.
Yes, beta, because this is a very, this thing, first time you are coming across such a chapter wherein proper, this thing is given. A paragraph is given. So we are going to translate it line by line.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first chapter, ma'am, the zero chapter was also with paragraph.
It was with paragraph, but the whole chapter was in English, beta. It wasn't in French.
Ma'am, we have to write
Ma'am,
that here
what
the
is the
photo de my family, ma'am, in notebook.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
C'est la photo de
Ma'am,
ma
can you
famille.
send me? Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
chapter
translation
7.
like the picture also.
What you have to?
Ma'am, the picture also.
No, beta,
They
no.
have to make.
No, beta, not at all.
Ma'am, the translation of this sentence is this is the photo of my family.
Yes, this is the photo of my family. Okay,
Ma'am, can
now
you send me the
Kaveh,
lesson 7?
Kaveh, do one thing. Just start reading this chapter and let me see how many of you can understand it. I'm sure most 75% of the chapter you will try to do it yourself only. Start reading, Kaveh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
La famille de Manuel. Mon grand-père appelle mon Charles
Okay,
Ravi.
listen. This M stands for Monsieur. Like MR stands for Mr. in English. Now this is
Yes, ma'am.
Monsieur.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Monsieur Charles Ravished is a. Ma'am, I'm not getting the 77.
Okay, now what is number 77? 70. We have not done numbers.
Ma'am, we have done.
Ma'am, we have done. Ma'am,
Okay, who will
77
tell?
is Sokhante di Sap.
Very nice. 60, it's 77.
Okay, ma'am.
77. Il parle quatre langues. Il est adorable. Next sentence. Ma grand-mère
Ma grand-mère
appelle Madame Francis Lavish.
Okay,
L
madam.
R.
Now listen, what we use before females? Like before males, we use monsieur,
Ma'am, Madam.
madam,
Ma'am,
M-M-E. Yes.
Ma'am, short form MM.
M-M-E.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Hassan, you want
Yes.
to ask something?
Ma'am, I want to ask that it is monsieur or monsieur?
Monsieur. It's called monsieur. And the plural is messieurs.
Can you tell from where are we reading?
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm reading of Ma'am Francis Lavigne. L R. Soixante dix. Oh.
Okay.
La musique.
L M la musique. LM la musique.
La musique. Elle est sympathique.
Very nice. Okay, stop. Till here. Now, what is the translation? Who can tell the translation in English of all these lines? My
Ma'am, I have understood of some words.
my grandfather calls himself Mr. Charles Lavigne. He is 77 years. He speaks 4 languages.
Oh my God.
You want me to wait?
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am,
also
what
speak
was the ma'am
we can also speak 3 languages.
He
What
speaks
is it, ma'am?
4 languages. Il parle 4 langues.
Ma'am, but we can
Ma'am,
also speak
may you
3.
Yes, we
ma'am,
can
may you
also.
tell the translation of first line?
My grandfather calls himself. Now, s'appelle. S'appelle means to call oneself. Mon grand-père. Children, I actually need a board to teach you this chapter. But today my network is not supporting me. Let me try it once again. Because there are a few things that...
Ma'am, you have
Yes.
ma'am, you even have the ma'am, you even have a e-board in your laptop.
But better that it is very difficult to type on that, especially French language.
Ma'am, but not of Zoom. Ma'am, it is a OneNote.
How do we use that?
Ma'am, it is an application installed in every laptop. Ma'am, it just check. Ma'am, you can even type the text, or ma'am, you can
Okay,
you
with
can
free
write
hand. I can write
with
it
your mouse.
freehand.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Ma'am, you can write. Yes, ma'am.
There is so much to learn.
On your
You still have to
trackpad.
learn a lot in life. All right. Now see, all of you can see the board now.
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Crystal clear.
Still clear. Okay. Now see, when it says mon grand-père, mon grand-père s'appelle. My grandfather. Now what is s'appelle? A-P-P-E-L-L-E.
Ma'am, it was in the first chapter.
Calls
Yes, sir.
himself. Everybody look here at the board, on my board. My grandfather, appel stands for call and sir apostrophe means himself. My grandfather calls himself Monsieur Lavigne. Monsieur Lavigne. Okay?
Monsieur Lavigne? Monsieur Charles Lavigne.
Yes, Monsieur Charles Lavigne. The name is name beta. Okay, he is 77 years old. Now, to tell his age, we are not writing il a 77 years. What are we writing? A is wrong. We are writing avoir verb. We learned it in the previous chapters. He has 77 years. If we literally translate it, but what it means is he is 77 years old. Okay?
Yes.
Then Il parle quatre langues. Now, this is the first verb that you are coming across apart from irregular verbs. Just a minute, children. Yes. This is the first verb that you are coming across. The verb is parler. Parler means to speak. What it means to speak?
To speak.
Yes. To speak.
To speak.
What is the verb parler? Now, what we have done, we have conjugated. This is ER ending verb. Now, in your chapters ahead, you are going to study this verb only. ER ending verb, this is also conjugated, but how it comes with he? It comes PARLE. Il parle, which means he speaks. Now, what he speaks? He speaks 4 languages. He speaks 4 languages. Long is languages. Then il est adorable. What is he? He is adorable. Now see, when we write the next line, ma grand-mère. Earlier we had written mon grand-père, but now we are writing, what we are writing? Ma. Now why is this difference? What is this difference between mon?
Ma'am, because ma'am, that was for masculine
because the
and
boy
this is for
Ma'am,
feminine.
Anwar is telling
Very
about
nice.
his family.
Mo comes before masculine nouns. Ma comes before feminine nouns, and to use something before plural, we use may, whether it is masculine or it is feminine. Like if I relate it to Hindi, mera ghar, meri gaadi, and mere dost. There's a difference in Hindi also. This is exactly mera,
Yes,
meri, and mere.
Man.
Yes. Yes, beta.
Just saying yes, ma'am.
What? I don't understand what you were saying. Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then next, what was the next thing? Now, talking about grandmother, what's her name? Madame Francois. Now, what is her